Hey there. Today I want to talk to you guys about how you can take the same exact action, but depending on what you're thinking at the time that you take the action, it's going to have a completely different effect. Okay. And the action I'm going to talk to you guys about today, taking the action of being silent. Okay. Of not saying anything. So sometimes we can be silent from feelings of empowerment, from a place of power. And sometimes we can be silent from a place of fear. Just going to show you the difference. All right. So let's first talk for a moment about being silent from a place of weakness. So circumstance, X is being abusive, antagonizing you, bullying you, saying mean things, blah, 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 whatever, poking you, let's say. You may have a thought like, if I speak up, it's just going to get worse. He's just going to escalate. It's going to get bigger. When you think things like that, you feel fear. And of course, you say nothing. You're silent. And in fact, in certain cases, you may not call the police, even though it was warranted. You're silent from a place of fear, from a place of weakness. And of course, the antagonism and the abuse will continue. This is when silence doesn't serve you, when it comes from a place of fear. But as all of you guys know, silence is one of my very favorite tools when it comes from a place of empowerment and strength. Disengaging from your ex is one of the most powerful things you can do. If you're getting beat up, being silent about it is not strategic. But if he's poking you or just being obnoxious, disengaging can be very strategic. Let's look at that. Silence from a place of strength. X is poking you, saying nasty things, disparaging you, making little stupid comments like, I'm never leaving the house until there's a separation agreement signed, all kind of little antagonizing things. Now, you do not have to engage with somebody who's trying to antagonize you as long as they're not physically hurting you, as long as you are safe. In fact, I would tell you not to engage. And your thought needs to be, for you to take this action of being silent, your thought needs to be, I don't have to take this bait. He's spinning. He's feeling very vulnerable and trying to make me spin. That's the only reason that this antagonism is going on right now. Somebody's feeling a bit worried about how things are going to go. They're a bit worried about the letter that my lawyer sent. I have to take the bait. You feel stealth, clever, calm, confident, the kind of silence that I like. That's when you ignore the ridiculousness that's coming out of his mouth and you don't engage from a place of strength, being silent from a place of strength. And the result for you is, of course, you keep the upper hand, keep the pressure on.